Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox and giving review on iVOOMi 4G Wi-Fi router. Here you can see it is a iVOOMi 4G Wi-Fi router that supported 5G SIM also, and its model number is IV-600X. So here is the key features. So it has a 300 Mbps Wi-Fi speed, mini size. It is very portable and is mini size, and it has a high gain antennas, dual power supply, data statistics, and SIM card. Just plug and play a Wi-Fi router. So on the back side of this box, here you can see the specifications, some detail about this Wi-Fi router. Here you can see. So let's unbox this. Yeah, here is the main thing. You can see a router. So let's talk. So here is the router. You can see. We will talk about it later. Let's keep aside. Now it's also provided a LAN cables. Along with this router, they also provided a LAN cables. Here you can see, and also a power adapter. It's also come along with this. So now come with the main thing. This is the router. Yeah, it's very portable, very lightweight. You can see, guys. Yeah, behind that, on the side of this, it has a power port, DC 12 watts, and one USB port. It's also used for a power. And here's the LAN port. Like this, we have to connect and just press this and remove back. And the main and the best feature I really like it is has a SIM card port also. You just insert your SIM card and you can easily use your Wi-Fi and distribute. Okay, so and here's the reset button. It is connected. It will indicate it's on a LAN or a Wi-Fi, 4G or a power. Okay, so on this side you can see here it has a IP address and a user password. It's very lightweight. Here you can see very portable Wi-Fi router. So this router has a sleek back design, compact and lightweight. On the other back you have got this a SIM card slot, LAN port, power port, as I have said. For the setup purpose, just setting up the iVOOMi 4G router in a super easy. So just insert your 4G SIM card, power it on and wait for the signal to show, and it works with all major Indian SIMs like Jio, Airtel and Vodafone and all BSNL. So no complex configuration needed. So it is very easy to set up. This iVOOMi 4G router is a great budget pickup for the students, travelers or any who needs a backup internet connection. So it is a best value router. So if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And for more gadget reviews and tech tips, have any questions, drop them in the comments. So catch you in the next one. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.